Hello students, welcome to program number 32 of Python. As per the syllabus of IK Gujarat, Punjab Technical University Jalandhar for BCA third semester. This one is the title of the program. This one is the syllabus. Solve the Fibonacci sequence using recursion. First of all, we have to design a function. Then, if n less than equal to 1, return n, else we have to add the previous two numbers, function n minus 1 plus n minus 2. Basically, in Fibonacci sequence, we have to add each time the previous two numbers. It means already two numbers are given to you. Suppose I am writing 0 and 1. Then the third number is equal to 1 and fourth number is equal to 2. Then 3, then 5, then 8, 13, 21, up to so on. Each number is the sum of its previous two numbers. This one is the sequence. That's why I am writing return f n minus 1 plus f n minus 2. Now, entry of count int input enter count of numbers in Fibonacci series. How many numbers you would like to display? For example, this count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this sequence, 9 numbers are there. If I am entering 9, I can display this series. If x less than equal to 0, print kindly enter positive value. Otherwise, if the condition is accurate, then print Fibonacci series. Then for I in range x, then you can print the data or pass this value inside the function. Function you can pass x inside this. Now execute the program, enter the count of numbers in Fibonacci series. Suppose I am writing 9. Okay, only the total is there. I have to print I over here, control L. Suppose I am printing 9, you can print the data 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and 21. Suppose I have to print the data in single line, then I can write end here. Now again execute. 9, you can print the data. Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and 21. Suppose I am entering some negative value. Kindly enter positive value. You can print the data over here. If I am entering 0, kindly enter the positive value. If I am entering 1, Fibonacci series is 0. There is no Fibonacci series. If I am entering 19, you can print the data up to 19 numbers. 0, 1, 1, 2, up to so on 2, 5, 8, 4. This one is the Fibonacci series. Basically, the content is designing of one function, and you have to add each time the previous two numbers, nothing else. This one is the basic content of Fibonacci series. In the next video, I will discuss about factorial of the number using recursion. That is program number 33. Thanks for watching my video.